Hi guys, welcome to my new video, how to kill rats instantly. So this is a mouse trap and this is not expensive, this is the cheapest one. I know you are facing big trouble with mice like me. So see, this is a mice trap. Yeah, there are three parts in this trap. First one, this is a connector, and secondly this thing. Take care of your hands and be careful while you fixing this. And this is another part. Take care of your hands and release it very slowly.
Yeah.
It is better if you have a double side tape. If you have a double side tape, you can fix it here, because I'll tell you why double side tape is required. Even you can fix it without double side tape, but if double side tape is available, it is better. And you can put food here, like nuts or dates or peanut, something like that. You can fix it here. So here we go. You can see there is a connector. Do like this, and there's a small hole, you can see there, a small hole. It just connected to there. And guys, take care of your hand always while you're fixing this. Yeah, that's all. You know why I use double side tape? Because the rat will come to this area and they will see the food, and definitely they need to touch. They need to touch the food. Since it is placed on double side tape, they need to touch it hardly. When they touch hardly, only this will come off. Okay, even you can fix it without double side tape, but if you fix with double side tape, it will be more effective. Okay guys, see you. Thanks for watching my video, and I'm requesting you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.